the 2015 Hyundai Sonata. I picked out exactly the one you wanted, for Venetian red, with a lovely waterfall grille with H in the middle, the lovely LED wraparound lights with daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, the accents on the wing mirrors, proximity key entrance. So let's go inside and have a look inside. Lovely leather interior, power seats, 7-inch touchscreen, blue link, Bluetooth, backup camera, voice activation for your thing, and loads more to offer. Let me tell you more about the Hyundai warranties. We offer you here at Tameron 5 years, 60,000 miles, new car warranty, 10 years, 100,000 miles powertrain, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles powertrain warranty, and we also give you 5 years, 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. My name's Mark Hodson. Please call me on 205 720 6581. I can't wait to take you for a test drive and take you through the car, Judith. Thank you very much.